Welcome to WP Med. This video is going to be about what are the key features of the WP Social plugin. But before getting into it, in case you don't know what is WP Social plugin or you don't know how to get this for your website, go ahead and open up the description box and watch some of the videos we have mentioned there. Social media login improves user experience in various ways, including less password reliance. If you have an existing account on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you can use this account to log in your WordPress dashboard. And obviously, it's a trustworthy process. And nevertheless, account linking will save your time. Alright then, let's get into it. After you have installed this plugin, navigate to WP Social, then go to Social Login. Inside of this page, you'll find three different tabs. The first one is the Global Settings, then you have the Providers tab, and then you have the Style Settings. The options of the global settings have something to do with where you want to show the login button. As an example, you can show the login button on the login page, or WordPress register page, or WordPress comment page. Then you have the WooCommerce login page, WooCommerce register page, WooCommerce billing page, and the last one is the WordPress page. Now we'll look at WP login page. If you open it, you'll find four different options. The first option is WP Login from Middle. If you select this option, your button will show at the middle of the from. Then you have Head option, Footer option, or you can show the login button on the message section. I want to show the login buttons at the footer. Alright, now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll have the Save buttons. After the Save Changes button, you will see the shortcode option. Using the shortcode options, you can show the login buttons anywhere you want to use. For now, I want to save the changes I have made. Alright, now we have to go to Providers. Inside of the Providers tab, you will see some of the widely used platforms. If you have an existing account on any of these platforms, you can use that credential to log in. You can use more than one platforms too. Just to show you how it works, I'm going to be using GitHub. I'll enable it. Then go to Settings. Inside of the Settings, open up the Starter tab. You'll find a basic guidance of using it. Now if you go to Settings, there you'll need your app ID and app secret. Now it's time to show you how you can collect the app secret and app ID. Go to Starter tab, there you'll find a documentation link. Click on the link and that link will take you to the documentation page of collecting the GitHub app ID and app secret. Go through this documentation and find the necessary credential. Now let's see how to collect the credentials for the GitHub platform. Log into your GitHub account, click on the profile, then go to Settings. You scroll all the way down, then go to Developer Setting. Click on Auth Apps. If you don't have an Auth app, click on New Auth App. I'd like to name it WP Social. And the homepage URL, I would like to use wpmed.com. Application description, testing. And now you have to collect your callback URL. You'll find the callback URL into the Starter tab. Copy the callback URL and paste into this box. After that, click on the Register application. There you can see your client ID. Copy the client ID, go to your WordPress dashboard, then Settings and paste here. Now you have to collect your app secret. Click on Generate New Client Secret, copy that one and paste into this box. Click Save Changes. Now if you want to have a bit more customization on the login button, click on the Settings, then go to Buttons. There you can change the login label text and the logout label text. If you go to Uses, there you'll see the shortcode option and the simple link option to use this login button anywhere you want to use. Alright, close it, then go to Style Settings. Inside of the Style Settings, you'll find three different options. The first one is the logo with the label, and the second one is only logo, and the third one is only label. Select any of them and click Save Changes. Alright, now it's time to see the output. I'm going to log out from here, and there is the bottom. You can see the login with GitHub account. If I click on this button, it will ask me for the authorization for this app. Authorize, and see I have logged in with the GitHub account. And this is how you'll be able to log in with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and the other platforms. Thank you for watching this video.